Hello everyone. Let's explore how you can add an affiliate to your Shopify affiliate program. Once you're logged into your Shopify admin dashboard and have opened the Afflr affiliate marketing app, you'll find yourself on the Afflr affiliate marketing dashboard. Head over to the affiliate section at the top. There are several ways to add an affiliate, but in this tutorial, we'll focus on adding one manually through your admin panel. To do this, simply click on the Add Affiliate button located at the top right-hand side of the page. You'll be taken to the Add Affiliate page where you'll need to provide some affiliate details, such as the first name of the affiliate, last name of the affiliate, and email address of the affiliate. You'll also select the language for the affiliate to receive important updates and commission information. You can optionally enter the affiliate's phone number. A referral code will be auto-generated and displayed, but you can customize it as needed. Additionally, you'll need to select a product program. To do this, you can either search for the program or browse by clicking the Browse button. A pop-up will appear for selecting a program. Let's choose the first one, Earn 10% and Offer 10%, and click on the Add button. Now that we've filled in the affiliate details, you can view a summary of this information on the right-hand side. To save this information, just click on the Save button located either at the bottom or at the top right-hand side of the page. That's it. The affiliate has been created. If you ever need to edit anything, you can click on the Edit Affiliate button, or if you need to change the affiliate's program, click the Change Program button. Returning to the affiliates page, you can see that the affiliate we've just created has been added to the Afflr affiliate marketing application. This is how you manually add an affiliate. Hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching.